what's the hardest part about growth is? Living. Living what once felt like home. Living people you thought you would spend your entire life with. Living the version of you that once begged to stay. But here's the thing. कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना बहुत जरूरी होता है. Every time I watch ये जवानी है दीवानी, I realize that Bunny was not just chasing mountains. He was chasing himself. And maybe that's what we all forget. We are so busy holding on to the comfort that we forget that growth never happens in comfort zones. Sometimes नहीं निकलना चाहते हम because it's scary, because we have built memories in that space, because we have attached our worth to the people in it. But the truth is, staying stuck somewhere you have outgrown does not make you loyal. It makes you lost. You cannot expect new energy in an old environment. You cannot find peace in a place that keeps reminding you of who you are trying not to be anymore. No matter how many times you tell yourself that I will manage, your soul knows when it's done. Some of you are still forcing connections that expired years ago, still explaining yourself to people who never have an intention of understanding you, still shrinking just to fit into rooms that were never designed for your light. Well, let me tell you something, that you don't owe anyone your stagnation just because they were once your comfort. We have all had that bunny moment, standing at a crossroad where one path feels familiar but empty, and the other feels terrifying but free. And most of us, we picked familiar because safe feels easier than alone. We don't realize is every time we choose safe, we silently choose small. There's a line in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani where Bunny says, मैं उड़ना चाहता हूँ, मैं दौड़ना चाहता हूँ, गिरना भी चाहता हूँ, बस रुकना नहीं चाहता. That line is about growth. That's exactly what life demands. The courage to fall, to move, to evolve, and to not get stuck. See, people romanticize destinations, but the truth is the journey. The leaving, the crying, the confusion. That's where you meet your real self. That's where your strength hides. That's where your peace starts whispering. Maybe this ending was never a loss. Maybe it was just a redirection. Because every goodbye you have cried through is preparing you for a version of you that does not need anyone's validation to keep going. If the life is being pushing you to move, maybe it's not punishment. Maybe it's your higher self saying it's time. Stop replaying the same story hoping for a new ending. Stop waiting for people to notice your worth. Stop holding onto the comfort when it's clearly costing your peace. Remember this, when you stop fitting somewhere, that's your sign that you have grown beyond it. And growth, it's not always glamorous. It's lonely, it's painful, it's confusing. But one day you will look back and realize that leaving was not the hardest part. Staying would have been. Because truly, कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना बहुत जरूरी होता है.